Okay, this is a 2021 Toyota Camry, and if your tire pressure light is on and you want to turn it off, or you just serviced your tires or rotated them and you want to reset the tire pressure monitoring system, this is how you do it. Start the car up. This is a hybrid, so no engine noise. Okay, close this screen. And what you're going to do is press these arrow buttons on the steering wheel until you get to the gear icon. Use the down arrow button to scroll down and select vehicle settings by pressing the OK button. Go to TPWS, press OK. Press OK on set tire pressure, or hold OK actually. Hold OK. And once you get that, you can take your finger off the OK button, and it says setting tire pressure warning system. And that's it.